Okay lang ulo mo? Okay lang? Ang ginagawa mo? Kinakalat mo yung dahon eh. Sprinkles. No. Kaya pala dyan pala yung galing yung dahon eh. Kinakalat nyo.
Oh yeah! Crescent moon. Hey, Lyra! Come here. There's a crescent moon.
Crescent moon.
Yeah. Look. Look. Whoa, it's so cool. The crescent moon. There you are. The crescent moon.
Ay.
Let's drink later.
Sige, lagot ka kay Lolo. Mamamatay yan.